On my E63 Mercedes.
All right, I'll be right there.
Dude, what the heck, man?
Oh, jeez.
Golly, can't have kids do anything
Your
for
hood
you.
emblem starts to end up looking like this after you have a simple job for your kids to do. You say, hey, go out there, wash my hood ornament, and they break it off. Well, the good thing is, I'm gonna show you a video in here on how to replace the hood ornament. On this case, it's my E63 W212 chassis, and it's super simple and very easy. Pop the hood. Open it up, and you'll see right from the underside, there's the bottom of the hood ornament. And this will work for any of your S classes, E classes, C class, any Mercedes that has a standing hood ornament. And it's very simple. All you'll need for this job is a pair of pliers. Mercedes, of course, makes a very expensive tool that you can use to change out the hood ornament. But in this case, we're going to use a simple pair of pliers. All right, so all we do is we take our pliers, put it on one side of here, and we're going to turn counterclockwise, and it's going to pop right out. Do is lower the hood down, and it can pop right out here. The correct part number for the Mercedes standing hood ornament is A221-880-0086. Mercedes gave me crap about ordering this for my E-Class because they said the part number showed up as an S-Class. But once they inputted my VIN into their system, it said, yes, in fact, this is a correct hood ornament for the E63 model 2013 W212. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the ornament in sideways, lift the hood, and once it's like that, we'll take our pliers, and since we went counterclockwise, we simply go clockwise to put the hood ornament back into place. There it is, stars replaced. Close the hood, good as new. So I hope you enjoyed that video on how to replace the hood ornament on an E63 or any E-Class, C-Class, or even S-Class Mercedes with the standing star hood ornament. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. Trying to build this channel here just with my everyday things that I like to do, messing around with these cars, and old school, new school, you name it, they're all fun to me. So please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys.